you have these nice sounding headphones and want to remove the ear pads for cleaning or replacement. That's easy. Just grab the edge of the ear pad cushion and pull it away from the headphone housing. The housing is around 98 mm by 108 mm, but you can find replacement pads using the link in the video description. To put the ear pad cushion back on, first stretch the edge of the ear pad, then insert as much of the pad's edge into the headphone housing groove as possible. Hold the inserted part with one hand and with your other hand, pull the rest of the edge into place. Finally, rotate the pad so that the seam points downward. And that's all you need to know to replace the ear pads on these nice headphones.